see them? You see those people? They're all excited about money. And that's what we're going to talk about now.
She's whispering something.
Oh yeah, I forgot the introduction. We're Petra and Raphael from the channel
Hello.
Petra Raphael, and I have a few things to share with you today about stock market, especially about Tesla and Apple, because they just made a stock split, which means Tesla and Apple were rising this much in the past few weeks and months that they performed a stock split, which means Tesla was, if you had one stock of Tesla before the 31st of August, you now have 5 stocks of Tesla. So it was $2,500 worth, and now it's $500 worth per stock. And the same thing happened with Apple, and they were multiplying their stocks by 4. This is so that more investors are attracted to invest in those companies. Like if you have 500 Swiss francs, or $500, you can't just invest in a Tesla stock which is worth $2,500. So you can do it now again, and that's, I believe, one of the reasons why the stock market went so parabolic in the last few months. It's absolutely crazy what happened, that the stocks just keep going up, going up, going up, besides all the bad numbers, the bad results, quarters, and everybody's struggling from this economy right now. But as long as the stock market keeps going up, people will still believe that we are in good times. And yes, we are all connected, and money is a part of our life just as much as love and relationships, and that's why I'm talking about it. And I would like to inform you that it's really dangerous right now to invest in the stock market. I have invested at the lowest point in March after the crash, and I was expecting to invest more over time when the stocks will go down even more, because that's just the normal result of this crisis that we're still in. But the Federal Reserve has been moving stocks up indefinitely, and another big part is young investors, which can just, with a tip of their hands, they can just invest in stocks with apps like Robinhood and WeBull. It became so accessible for young investors and inexperienced investors, and stocks like Apple and Tesla are so famous that they just invest in those stocks without even knowing what they're investing in. And that's one of the reasons why the stocks went that high, and we have topped the top from February. We are way above that already, and it just keeps going up. And I just want to inform you that if you're still thinking about investing, it's good. But when you have the strong feeling, when you're still waiting and you think you're waiting for the crash, wait for this moment when you have a really strong feeling like, you know what, now I'm just going to invest in it. I have been looking at all these gains, I didn't make any, now I'm just going to invest in it. That's exactly the time where you please wait 2 to 3 more months before you invest in it. Because I was investing quite a big sum of money in January this year, just before the crash, at the highest point. I was slowly, after the crash, when the stocks were going up, I was slowly moving out of the stock market, which was not very smart. And I was also doing the mistake that I was investing a big sum of money at once, instead of splitting this sum of money, investing it over time. But more of that in another video. Just if you have the feeling that now is really the time that you want to invest, just wait 2 to 3 more months, please, and you'll see what happens. Don't worry about those gains, they are not natural. It's not normal that stocks are going up 5 to 10% a day. If we will be at times when the stocks will go up 0.3, 0.5% a day, That's when we can have more confidence. But right now, it's really not a good time, and so many young investors are jumping on the train and they think they can have these gains with Tesla and Apple, but it's dangerous. Just wait a little longer and don't worry about those gains that you see day by day. They are not sustainable. So that's it. We have created a really cool Facebook group which is called From Existence to Life, because not only with money but also with all other areas of life, we are not here to just exist. We are not here to just have the minimum amount of money and just get by. We are here to truly live, and this is financially and emotionally and spiritually. So if you're interested in that, come by our Facebook group. I'll link it down below. Thank you so much for watching. Write down your questions and comments below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you next time. Bye.